This tiny bird fell from its nest, alone and helpless. Could it survive? A kind-hearted man found the fragile baby bird on the ground. With no nest in sight, he decided to care for it himself, feeding it, keeping it warm, and teaching it how to fly. Day by day, the bird grew stronger, transforming from a helpless chick into a beautiful adult. If you have a bird, like and subscribe if you love them. After weeks of love and care, the moment arrived. The bird spread its wings and flew. A life saved, a journey completed. Would you do the same?